तो क्लास होनी चाहिए।
Ma'am, on your video, we can't see you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, are you able to see me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome to Atma Studio. Back again. The vision of eminent artist Sunil Chatterjee.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so we have to complete it. Okay. Now, what we are going to do now, on this red side, again, we'll just, with the tip of toothpick,
Ma'am, what did you do last? I got disconnected.
Anji,
Ma'am, I'm saying that what did you do last after drawing the red dots? I got disconnected.
after the red dots.
Yes, ma'am.
After the red dots, I joined these red dots with the green dots. And
No, ma'am, not these dots which you draw in between those petals.
here in between.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after red dots I have done, I've just made a leaf like of a thing, just around the blue one. Just around the blue dot, I have made leaf with dots.
With which color?
With yellow color. Yellow fluorescent color, you can use any color. Beta, just mute your video, mute your audio, beta. I think somebody's audio is on. Please mute your audio. Like this.
Please.
Just you have to fill them. Again, we are making another circle with the help of the dots around the red dot. Around the red dot. Okay, like this.
No, you can take the help of this, yes, and do this okay, with this.
Pardon?
Mama? Copy the pattern. Magi to color for it.
Beta,
Okay.
please mute yourself. Somebody's audio is on, please. Like this. Yes. Beta, mute your audio, please. Now, if you are not comfortable doing with the free hand, you can use compass. You can make the rounds previously. You can make the rounds before you start, before you put the dots, and then put the dots along with those rounds. If you are not very comfortable with free hand, otherwise you can do free hand. That is why it is known as handwork. With the hands, you might have a little difference, and that is why it is always called handmade. Okay, it is always handmade. Handmade has such kind of a things. It is not a machine made thing. No, we are doing with the hands, so there is no problem. Now, on this you can draw small dots over this. Like this. Now, there are two more dots which I'll be doing with this neon pen. If you have, it is well and good. You can use the embroidery colors also. If you do not have, no problem. No problem. You can use your you can use your tools. Like these. Those who have not muted themselves, please mute yourself, beta. Please mute yourself, otherwise you will also get disturbed and others will also get disturbed.
Glue in the dark.
Yes,
देख दे 8 क्लास से बोलूं दे रही है
please mute yourself.
Ma'am, are these whatever neon paints you're using, are these glow in the dark?
Yes, they will glow in the dark. Because they are the
Whatever you use will glow in the dark, is it?
Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. I'm not able to listen the other person who is talking to me. Yes, somebody was asking me something.
Ma'am, whatever paints you have used are all glow in the dark, is it?
Yes, of course, they'll all glow in the dark. Basically,
Okay.
when you are using a black background, so
Okay.
most of the paints they glow. Even if they are not neon colors, they will glow because the reflection of the black color will itself make it glow.
No, but there is one particular color, no, ma'am, which glows in the dark.
These are the colors, ma'am. These are the neon colors.
Can you please send us the picture of which
Okay.
brand and whatever in the group?
Okay. I'll definitely send them in the group.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, definitely I'll send them in the group.
Ma'am, in the green one, how many dots should we leave?
Where, beta?
In the last one, ma'am.
As many dots you can. You have to make a circle. So there is no hard and fast rule that you have to use 10 dots or you have to use 5 dots or you have to use 6 dots. How many dots? What number of dots you can make? जितने dots में circle complete हो जाता है.
Ma'am, what are you using now?
I'm using neon colors, but I'm using neon sticks. These are the neon sticks I'm using, but it's not necessary. It's not mandatory that you also use these. You can use any color, whichever color you are having, and you can use the earbuds or any other tool to making the dots. For making the dots. Okay. Mute your audio, beta. Mute your audio. Please mute your audio. Now we are going to fill them. Now in between also we'll be using the red color between the blue colors. And again, we'll use the earbud for filling that. This is the red color. You'll get these videos also, beta, at the YouTube link. Yesterday's YouTube link you will get today. Stone making, stone painting, you will get the link today. Okay, so now we'll use the tip of the toothpick and make the rounds here with the blue color. And you can apply this mandala art even on the cups, ceramic cups or terracotta cups, or for making jewelry. The jewelry which I am wearing, I have made it with mandala only. Wherever you want, you can use it. There is no, the application also I'll teach. Then we can have the fusion also, fusion of mandala with Madhubani, fusion of mandala with Varli. In between we can do the Varli and then we can use the mandala. Like the circle which I have made, and inside the circle you can make a Varli drawing or you can make a Madhubani drawing, and then you at the sides you can do the mandala. Mandala can go with fusion. Basically, mandala is in circle. It is a Sanskrit word, means circle. And Buddhism, it is very popular. And in Buddhism, it is very, very popular. You can fill them. These are just the dots. This is just the matter of concentration. Like this. Now in between this red, we can have yellow and small dots. Again, I'm using the back of this toothpick. Back of the toothpick I'm using. Like this. As I told you, there is no hard and fast rule that how you have to do this mandala work or how many circles you have to make. It is only up to your liking.
Mom, I finished, Mom.
Show me.
Yes,
Show
Mom.
me. Show me, beta.
Mom, I'm showing.
What is your name?
Pariniti.
Okay, Pariniti. Very nice. Very nice. Can I have a close-up of it? Very nice, beta. Wow, Pariniti. That's really wonderful. That's really very nice. Beautiful, Pariniti.
Thank you, Mom.
show me.
Yes.
Pari is my sister's daughter.
Okay, okay. She has done very beautiful.
Super.
Now these dots I am making with this blue circles.
Mom,
Yes,
Mom, I finished, Mom.
very good. Very nice.
Mom, can
Yes,
I show, Mom?
Of course, yes, of course you can show.
Mom,
Just where? Oh, wow. Wonderful. Wonderful it is. So beautifully done. So beautifully done.
thanks, Mom.
Anyway, you can do it. As I told you, there is no hard and fast rule. If you are not feeling good, sometimes you can start doing with mandala work. It is really very relaxing work. You just keep on putting the dots.
Ma'am, I also done, ma'am. Shall I show it?
Yes, of course, you can show me. Where, beta?
Ma'am, can you? Sahana.
Very, very good. Where is yours? Where is your? I'm not able to see.
Ma'am.
Okay, very nice, beta. Beautiful.
I completed.
Well done. Well done.
Ma'am, what have you used for inside of that flower?
Which one? Where, beta?
Ma'am, that in the last, ma'am, dark blue you have used, no, ma'am, inside green color flower.
Yeah, in the green color flower, I have used only these colors only, beta. I have used these acrylic colors, nothing else.
Ma'am, not colors, ma'am. What material you have used? Marker or something?
Acrylic colors.
No, ma'am, I'm asking, did you use earbud or something?
Okay, I use this toothpick. The back of this toothpick. Okay, the back side of this toothpick I have used.
Ma'am,
Okay.
not that one. It is a bit big, ma'am, in the last one.
Where, beta? This
Ma'am,
one?
inside the green color. Yes, ma'am, that big one.
The
Yes.
big one. I have used a earbud.
Okay, ma'am.
I have used this one. This earbud I have used. Okay. And I've told you how to make the earbud, isn't it?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Whatever is being taught or whatever.
another class. Can I hang up?
Huh?
Ma'am, I have another class. Can I hang up?
You have a. You're not audible, beta.
Ma'am, I have another class now, ma'am. Can I hang up?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Show me. Wow. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. So now.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I have my music class now at 5 o'clock. So I have to leave only my daughter for the session and go. So is
Okay,
there
okay.
anything important that I should be knowing from this session now?
No, I have already told you, but the rest of the things, rest of the designs and all, whatever, whichever you can make, I just send them in the group. Okay.
Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Yeah,
you. I'll submit it as soon as possible.
Okay.
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 Thank you.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes.
Can you see, ma'am?
Very nice. Very nice, beta. Very nice.
Mom,
Yes.
can you see this?
Who are you, beta? What is your name?
Sonika.
Okay, Sonika. Very nice. Well done.
Thank you, mom.
So, our work is complete. Are you able to see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, our mandala is complete, right? So we can do it on this back
Ma'am,
also.
can you show it? Can you show the whole of it? I mean, it's
Yes, of
getting
course,
cut.
of course. I'll just see. Sir, एक minute आइए. I'll just see. इसका close up. I'll just show beta. Can you see beta now? Can you see?
Yes. Yes, ma'am, I can see it.
Yes. Okay. And this one is also, right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have made this one.
Ma'am, can you also
Very nice. Very nice. Send all these things in the group along with your pen. Holding this, send it to me in the groups.
Ma'am, can you
Hold it like this and click your pen and then you send it to me in the group. Hold it like this, okay, and then show it to me. Send it to me. Okay.
excuse me, ma'am, can you please
Yes.
send this one which we prepared right now, the black canvas one in the group also?
Yes, of course, I'll send it. I'll send it definitely. Definitely, I'll send everything. I'll share everything in the group. I'll share everything. And this is a jute bag. This also we can prepare. And what we have to do for this, we have to put some paper beneath it. Otherwise, the color will spill. And now you can see that here are 4 circles are there.
Ma'am, show that mandala art which is done by now.
The black one? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Can you see now? Okay. So now this is a jute bag. So I'll just tie it.
ma'am,
So
the
it-
what?
What, beta?
Ma'am, what is that you're showing?
I'm showing a jute bag. We'll be doing mandala on this jute bag also. For that, what you have to do, you have to place a paper. Huh?
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
What are you saying, beta? You have to put a paper. You have to put a paper because otherwise, if you are when you are doing, it can spoil your backside. So now I'll just start.
Ma'am, we have to do only on jute bag or any bag, ma'am?
Any bag, you can do it on any bag. Any bag. I'll just have this session also, beta. I'll be having the advance to apply. You know? So I'll just showing you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can do on the paper also, ma'am.
Of course, you are doing on paper only, no? Now also you are doing on paper.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can always do on paper.
Okay.
Paper is always the first option. You could always do the things on paper. Right? So like this. Make small dots. By using the, now you have learned the technique of mandala, isn't it? Now you can do it. You can apply it anywhere. On so many surfaces, you can apply it. Again, I am using this, the tip of the toothpick for the dots. Yes. Now for the bigger dot, I'm using the back of the toothpick. I'll be sending this also to the group.
Ma'am, why are you using bag?
I'm doing it on the jute bag, beta. You can use any surface. You can use any surface. Why do you do fabric paint, beta? You know? Why do you do fabric paint?
Ma'am, so on which I should do?
What, beta?
So on which I should do, ma'am?
You can do on jute bag also. You can do on canvas also. You can do on paper. On paper you are to doing, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. You can use any. I am sure you have learned the technique of mandala. You have learned what is mandala. Now you can apply mandala anywhere, wherever you feel
No,
like.
ma'am. Yesterday only I joined the class. That is why.
Yesterday only you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
You liked yesterday's session of stone painting?
Yes, I like, ma'am.
Okay. Now today we have done the mandala. Now you must have understood the technique of mandala art.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So with the technique now you can apply this technique
It is easy,
anywhere.
ma'am.
Anywhere you feel like, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. So we'll just complete this portion and I'll just show you. And afterwards, when we'll be having the session, second phase of this workshop, then I'll show you the applications. Like this.
Ma'am, I have made this.
Very good. Very good, beta. Very good. Well done. Well done. Very nice. Send it in the group.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Are you people enjoying the sessions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. I hope you are not getting bored.
Yes, ma'am.
Very much.
Okay. Thank you so much. So I'll just make this one. I've used the marker tip, the back of this marker pen for making this dot. Now I'll be using.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, I'm putting the dots.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is the class over?
Not yet, Vita.
Okay.
You want to leave?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. It's still on because I'm doing it on the jute bag. Tomorrow we are having coffee painting session, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll send you the designer sheet in the group. Try to make the trace it. Try to trace it so that we can save the time. Yes? What are you saying?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, excuse.
Ma'am, what material we need for tomorrow class, ma'am?
It will be sent, Beta. It will be sent in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Ma'am,
Send it to the group.
ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, which coffee powder we will need, ma'am? Instant
Any
coffee,
coffee
ma'am,
powder.
or
Any coffee powder. If you have Nescafe, if you have filter coffee, any coffee powder will do.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, I tried in filter coffee powder, ma'am. That all particles are sticked into brush, ma'am.
Have you used water properly?
Yes, ma'am.
But it should not be like that. Okay, let me. I'll check it tomorrow. I'll check it tomorrow.
Thank you.
And if it spills like that, you can use then Nescafe. Nescafe never spills.
Ma'am, I have done the mandala. Can I show you, ma'am?
Yes,
Now.
of course, you can show me. The
Yeah.
class is about to over. Class is about to get over. So
Ma'am,
I'll send all these things into the group. Right? I'll send everything to the group. Yes, show me.
Ma'am, are
Vita.
you able to see, ma'am?
Very nice. What is your name?
Diksha.
Diksha. Very nice, Diksha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Why Abita is silent today? Abita is not in the class today. Abita is very silent. Abita is not in the class.
Ma'am, she was there, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, Abita has not joined the class today.
Ma'am, that time she was joined, ma'am.
Okay. Now she
I
has
think
left.
she left. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Maybe she is having some work. So, class is almost, the time is almost up. So we'll see you tomorrow for coffee painting class.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. I'll send everything to the group and you also send, and you'll get tomorrow's, yesterday's link, YouTube link today itself. Okay, you'll get it in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Bye for now.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. See you
Bye,
tomorrow. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
Go tomorrow, ma'am.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Yes, definitely. See you tomorrow. Bye, beta.
Ma'am, same ma'am.
What, beta?
Thank you for
Bye.
the drawing, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you put the bag little this side? I want to see.
Okay. See. Are you able to see?
Ma'am, little bit top, ma'am.
No. Are you able to
Yes,
see it
ma'am.
now?
This one. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also mandala art, right?
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now see you tomorrow, and I'll send it into the group. Okay. I'll just
Okay.
post it into the group
Can
also.
we use a blue bag also?
Yes, you can use any color, beta. Any color. Any
Okay,
bag
ma'am.
you can use. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye for now.